Let's watch together.
Mobility and migration management in South Africa. Today's launch of the ETA represents a quantum leap forward for our country's immigration system, both by unlocking economic growth through tourism, investment, and legitimate travel, and by landing a decisive blow against visa fraud and illegal immigration. Mr. President, allow me to briefly introduce some of the ETA's key features on both the economic and security fronts. The process begins by a traveller registering a profile on the website eta.dha.gov.za, which includes one-time PIN verification of their cell phone number and email address. The traveller then scans their passport and uploads a selfie. Through biometric technology, our platform compares their passport photo to their facial photograph, confirming that they are the same person. The algorithm also automatically scans their passport, checking over 40 different parameters to verify that it is an authentic document. Once payment has been made, the ETA uses automated risk analysis to identify indicators of fraud or risk at a speed and scale that no human being could ever achieve. If the application is approved, the traveller will receive their ETA within 24 hours, which they can then store directly in the digital wallet on their smartphone. I think it's worth acknowledging the scale of the shift from those delays we've seen over so many years to something where we commit to turnaround time of 24 hours. Once an approved traveller arrives at the immigration counter, they are again required to look into a camera where biometric verification enables us to confirm that the person standing at our border is the same person who received authorization to travel to our country.